Hey guys, so that was my Boruto drawing with just a ball pen and a paper. We have all used ball pen at some point in our life, and I've even drawn several times with it when I was a kid in school. So I thought let's give it a try once more and try to make a good looking art out of just a simple ball pen. And I must say I am really happy with this drawing, with the results. It was so much fun to use the ball pen, just a ball pen, to create a good looking artwork. I enjoyed the whole process so much, just sketching directly with a ball pen. There is no going back, you can't erase, so I had only one chance. So it was really fun, but at the same time it was really challenging because I didn't use any guidelines. I directly started sketching with his left eye, and slowly I started moving forward. And when you don't use any guidelines to draw, it is really difficult to sketch a character, especially with good proportions and with good body parts which should match the sizes and proportions, so that it doesn't look weird if something goes out of proportion or out of size, out of ratio. So it was really challenging to make it look good, that too in my first attempt itself. But the overall experience of drawing with just a ball pen was really nice. It was like it was so light, I didn't have to use a lot of brain into it. I just had to sketch and it was quick, and it felt really artistic drawing like this. So I had a lot of fun. Hope you enjoyed the video too. If you did, then don't forget to drop a like and share this video with your friends. Also, do share which other characters you want me to draw in future with this ball pen again. I would love to try this once again, so leave your suggestions down below in comment section. And if you're not part of the channel yet, then subscribe for more art related videos every week on this channel. And that's it for now guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.